sharing can promote business in a much more natural way, in the sense that you teach your kids to share, and it turns out that that's also a very good idea for getting business, and most of us have it in our DNA, in our genes, that it's actually a good thing. But it's just the last maybe 200 years that it's been part of an industrial business model that you do not share copies. You keep them and you charge a fee for a copy, instead of actually get money for sharing copies and then get money for, or get revenue for doing the services around the copies, around the content. Producing the content, making services on top of it. And what we hopefully are going to talk about in this session is a business model, how you can make money from sharing code, because that's a proven business model today. Today, if you're a company, you don't have to come up with an excuse for using open source software as part of your business. You have to explain why you're not using it. But it's also spreading into open patents, and we can talk about how it's going to transform or at least help the pharmaceutical companies make more money. We will be talking about how it can be used within all bricks and mortar businesses like construction, where you can build entirely efficient systems for developing and developing information, but also sharing information between developers, constructors, architects, building engineers, and so on, in a way that makes the end product, the building, much better and much cheaper, so anybody's benefit. And finally, I think we're going to talk about also open standards, open APIs, and maybe if there's time, how also open personal data, which is sort of like a taboo, because everybody likes to be open, except when it's about themselves, which is, on the other hand, not correct, because there's open social media as well, but you have the legal side, which is totally running against that.